hanging out at 469 Cycles, picking up another Harley. We'll go check out their new warehouse. Okay, here we go. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. All your Harley needs. Straight look like you gained 20 pounds over. And you would, why is it always you who has to ride this stuff home in cold ass weather too? I don't know. Every time you get a bike. Give it a little pepper. Yeah. What these? Hey. What up, guys? It's Eric back with All Things Fast. It's been a minute, but if you're like me, and you're from the Midwest, when the weather gives you anything over 50 degrees and you ride motorcycles, you already know what it is. So we're about to get these bikes out, get them cleaned up, get the first real ride into the season. My brother, he just got a new bike. He's gonna be riding with us today. We're gonna meet up with mom and dad. Of course, we gotta go over to the local Harley shop. Gotta get my younger brother a bell for his bike. Go. All right, mission complete. We got his bell. Get back out and ride. Stopping at one of our favorite places to go when we're riding the bikes, George's.